Hi everybody. Today we are going to see a simple Python program in order to demonstrate a line chart. So how to draw a line chart using Python. Before going into how to draw a line chart, first we need to understand there is a library, popular library which is present in Python called as matplotlib. There is a library called as matplotlib. So this matplotlib is a popular Python library in order to create the visualizations and some plots. Different kinds of plots will be there, something like your bar chart, pie chart, histogram, scatter plot, stack plot, box plot, etc. In order to create all these different types of visualizations, we'll be taking the help of the matplotlib library, which is present in Python programming. This is most widely used in data science projects, machine learning projects, and also in some scientific researchers also. So, and there is also one more sub module of matplotlib which we need to know in order to draw a line chart or a bar chart or a pie chart. That particular sub module is nothing but pyplot. So this pyplot is a sub module or is a module or a sub library within a matplotlib. It is a collection of functions in creating a different wide variety of charts line, as I explained earlier. The wide variety of charts like bar charts, pie charts, scatter plot, box plot, etc. and all. So now we are quickly jumping into our basic line chart. So what exactly is a line chart is nothing but line chart is used to find the relation between two data, something like x and y. You can visualize your uh, going back to your schooling. You can visualize you have a graph with a x-axis as well as a y-axis. You will be mapping the points of x to the y. So how we are going to get that using the Python? So in order to include our library, as we already know that we need to use an import statement, so I use the import matplotlib. And also, as I said, we also need to include pyplot, a sub library of it. So I included in this way: import matplotlib.pyplot, as I'm using alias as plt. Instead of using the whole lot name, I'll be using a simple shortcut as plt in order to use this library. That is why I'm giving as plt. Wherever I require to call upon the function, there will be a few functions like x dot x axis or dot y axis dot plt or dot show and all to display the line chart. So in order to call upon all the functions, instead of using the whole lot of library, I'll be using plt in simple. And also I also need to include my numpy to do to do the x-axis and y-axis to get the x-axis and y-axis values. So how I'm going to do those? So I'll quickly move into the exact scenario quickly now. So my scenario here is, in order to demonstrate a line chart, as I said, it is an x and y axis, and that x and y axis will be the squares of a number. So x-axis will be the squares, x-axis will be the numbers, and y-axis is going to be the square of the number. So which means we are expecting the, I'll write here, we are expecting the x to be the value between 1 2 3 4 and 5. So our x-axis will consist of all the 5 data points, and the respective y-axis we need to map and x and y, right? So our y is going to be squares of it. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is going to be 4, square of 3 is going to be 9, square of 4 is going to be 16, square of 5 is going to be 25. So this is how I want my line chart to be displayed here. So I define my x and y variable data here. So my x is going to be 1 to 5 values, and y is going to be 1 4 9 16 and 25, which is nothing but squares of the respective x values. So I need to draw a line chart here now. So to do so first we'll be using plt dot plot what I'm trying to plot, x comma y. Let us run this. So if you could see, this is my x comma y. I'm trying to plot x and y. So x is 1, so 1 is 1. You can ignore 1.5 right now. So 2 somewhere like 4, and 3 somewhere 9. 4 is nothing but 16 here. 5 is pointing towards the 25. So if you could sense this line chart, so I can just normally say that this is a squares of a number, but I can label my x-axis, I can label my y-axis also. How I am going to do, there are a few more functions. Plt dot x label of, so whatever value, if you want to, I'll just give x-axis itself. Similarly, y-axis also, there is something of plt dot y label of y-axis. I'm just giving the y-axis, and I want, I'll just run and show you now. So this is this. So after this, this is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. As you can see, when I give x, when I called upon x label, whatever I give here, this got displayed here, which is different from our earlier thing. And if you want the title of this, if you want this line chart to be a bit more informative, the line chart, you can give the title. So for the line chart, so plt dot title of, so what is the title? What exactly we are done for this? What exactly we are done for this? We found the squares of a number. So I'll just give, this is my squares of a number. So this is my squares of a number. So this title will appear somewhere in the top of it here. So we are expecting that. So run it. So when you have a look at it, so you have your x-axis here, you have your y-axis here, and you titled it as a squares of a number. Okay. So this is how our line chart looks. Okay. So you can give the, if you could observe, the output is text, something, this and all. You can just give plt dot show, which is nothing but it will show you the line chart, display you the line chart. So whatever the information so far is there got disappeared when you give plt dot show. Okay. And this is a simple line chart with an x-axis varying the values from 1 to 5, and y-axis is the corresponding values, which is nothing but the squares of all the values of the x values. And I titled my line chart as a squares of a number. So this is how our line chart looks now. For more visualization graphs like bar chart, pie chart, scatter plot, and all, etc., please subscribe to my channel Python Enthusiast. Thank you for watching.